Hey friends, I'm super excited to share this month's celebration at Norwex because the savings are incredible and it's a perfect time for holiday shopping. So we've got some eco-friendly, gift-worthy favorites up to 40% off, plus one of my personal go-tos, which are the reusable silicone bags that are 10% off all month. So they're also in these really awesome festive colors. So the reusable silicone bags, these are perfect for cutting down on single-use plastics. They replace disposable bags, wraps, even glass containers, and they actually work really well in my fridge instead of taking up a ton of space like a glass container does. They're made from 100% food grade and platinum cured silicone, which means they are microwave, oven, and also freezer safe. I use them all the time for leftovers, for snacks, for meal prep, and the colors this season are really cute. I also like using these when I'm traveling to put my shampoo and conditioner because I'm always paranoid something's going to spill inside my luggage. So great for other purposes as well. And they're 10% off all month long. So let's jump in to the 40% off items because I know that's why you're here. So first up is my absolute must have. You know it, you love it. It's the Power Cleaning Paste. And this is also EWG Verified, which just happened recently. And EWG Verified is the gold standard in clean, safe, and even effective ingredients. This replaces all the harsh chemical scrub cleansers I used to use. It works wonders in the sink, tile, glass top stoves, in your oven, grout. We even use it on sneakers. And when I say it's safe, it is the gold standard EWG Verified. It's also long lasting. So the container that I have, my personal container I've had for over 3 years, it's still halfway full. So this is going to last forever. So you can get this during this celebration for $23.99. What a great stocking stuffer. My husband loves this too. He has his own out in the garage. Okay, next up are another item I use constantly. It's the kitchen cloths. And in this sale, you can get them in the trio set in either turquoise or amethyst. Now, these kitchen cloths are awesome. They replace hundreds of paper towels. When you use them with just water alone, they remove up to 99% of bacteria from our surfaces, which means we can detox our kitchen, which is the last place we want to use chemical cleaners where we're cooking, where we're eating. These make great gifts for teachers, neighbors, hostess gifts, anyone who wants a cleaner, greener kitchen. Now, they're regularly $36.99 for the trio. You can get them for $22.19. And what I love about this is that if you bought both sets, you could actually separate them out under 45 bucks. You could have 6 individual gifts, which is awesome. All right, now we're going to talk about a bath towel and matching hand towel and body cloths that are also in the sale. So these are really nice spa-like bath towels with a beautiful trim. These are our marine bath towels. They're soft, super absorbent, and quick drying. They do have backlock, which is Norwex's silver, which keeps them fresher longer. Fun fact, I only wash my bath towels about every 2 weeks because they have the silver. They don't get bacteria, musty, smelly, moldy, all the things. Now, the bath towels are normally $51.99. You can get this one during the sale for only $31.99, and it does have that silver trim on both sides. This makes a great towel set for a guest bath. You want something pretty hanging in there. Also, you can get the matching hand towel, which is great. Very soft. Also has the silver in it. Normally $21.99. You can get it for like 13 bucks. So great. And then the matching 3-pack of body and face cloths in the marine, normally $25.99. You can get them during the sale for $15.59. And they're all in this matching marine color. Another item that I use a lot in our house are the kids' bath sponges. So these are great. They're such a fun way to make bath time easier for our littles. They're super soft, super gentle on our little skin, and they do have backlock, which helps them stay fresher longer between uses. Plus, the adorable shapes really make them a cute addition to the bath. Makes great stocking stuffers. You can get either the yellow or the turquoise for only $6.59 each. So if you're looking for something for the little ones, for their stockings, this really makes a nice gift. But I also know a lot of adults who use this too. Now, if you're looking for something a little more fancy for either yourself or someone on your gift list, we do have the king size Norwex pillowcases in this cloud color. Now, cloud is like a really, really light cream, so this could substitute a white easily. These pillowcases are a dream. They're made from microfiber. You can wash them on hot. They have silver in them. They're super soft, super breathable. And since they have this silver in them, they also cut down on bacteria that often can get in our pillows from sweating, just life in general. And so if you're someone who suffers from allergies, maybe you have a dust mite allergy or acne prone skin, these are so good for the pillows. They make a great gift. You get the set of two for only $31. So that makes a really nice gift, even a great gift for a teacher. Next up, we have some self-care and travel gifts available. So for the travelers and organizers on your gifting list, we have this really nice carry-all bag set. So you get two matching blue bags. They are roomy. So you've got this larger bag with all the compartments and then the half moon bag. They're both lined with our backlock. So that's that silver. So they're going to stay fresher longer. They're perfect to hold your skincare, your makeup, your toiletries. And what I love about this is it has a little built-in zipper pouch on the inside. This holds so much, by the way. I like keeping a damp travel size enviro cloth or smaller body cloth in here when I travel. I keep this in the bag that I actually carry on the plane with me. These are awesome. So they're normally for the set $98.99, but you can get them during this sale for $59.39. So next up, for people who are maybe you or your holiday shopping list, people who like to work out, we have a great little bundle called the Active Refresh Bundle. So this is a winner in my book for anyone with an active lifestyle or goes to the gym often. This is great. So the first item I'm going to show you is our dry shampoo. This is a winner. This is aerosol free, super absorbent, plant-based, and it also comes with an active towel. But I'm telling you, like, I use the dry shampoo every couple days. I can go about 5 days without washing my hair, and my scalp never gets itchy. These are amazing. And then you also get this active towel, which is a super soft suede-like material that removes bacteria. This is the size of, we're going to say, like a yoga mat. So if this is someone that you're gifting for, even yourself, that goes to the gym, maybe does Pilates or yoga workouts, this is great to use on top of the yoga mat because as we sweat on those, they can get pretty nasty. And then it also comes in this nice carry bag, which fits nicely in a gym bag. So both of these items together would normally be $100.98, but on this special, you can get this set for $60.59, and it's called the Active Refresh Duo. Now, another little item that's on this special is our little wristlet. Okay, this is the grab and go wristlet. It's in turquoise in the sale. This is perfect for your purse, maybe the diaper bag, or even just to keep it in your car. I love it because it has two zipper sides. So it has the blue zipper on one side and the gray zipper on the other side. And what I find that works great for my family and just, as much as we're in the car going back and forth to sports, is I like keeping an MVP pack with me, which is a microfiber variety pack. It's a small size, travel size enviro cloth, window cloth, and a travel size body cloth. And since these are also water resistant, I will put the damp travel and body cloth and travel enviro cloth in one side. I will put my dry window cloth in the other side. I will literally keep this in my compartment all week long. If I'm taking my granddaughter out, I can easily wipe her hands off or her face with any of the cloths inside. Now, this little zipper pouch is normally $14.99. You can get it on the sale for only $8.99. Makes a great stocking stuffer. Okay, now we have some awesome glow gifts. I love the Norwex Glow. I've been using Norwex skincare for 5 years. I might be slightly obsessed. So the first one we have, it's called the Clean Confidence Duo. This includes our brightening vitamin C serum and a 3-pack of these beautiful travel size or smaller size body cloths. This is my favorite body cloth to travel with. I love the texture. I just think these are fantastic. So the brightening vitamin C is a wonderful serum to treat the signs of aging, age spots, sun damage, things like that. And this is just a product that I use every morning. I love it. It brightens and evens out our skin. And the reusable body cloths, these save me hundreds of dollars in makeup remover wipes and things like that. And I would much prefer using this if I'm traveling than those scratchy hotel cloths. So this set would normally be $78.98, but on this sale, you get 40% off. So it's down to $47.39, which is awesome. Okay, next we have the Refresh and Revitalize Duo. This is another serum I use daily. I actually use this one in the evening. It features the bakuchiol serum. So this is a gentle retinol alternative, and this comes paired with a 3-pack of these really pretty body and face cloths, also in that smaller size, great for traveling or gifting. So what this product does, so this is your retinol alternative. It smooths and firms our skin overnight without any irritation, and all Norwex products are safe. They're safe to use, including the bakuchiol. If you're pregnant or nursing, really makes a nice gift. Any gal would love to have this in her stocking. Okay, so this set would regularly be $88.98. You can get it during the sale for $53.59 for both of them. So awesome. Now we have a big one. This is called the Nordic Glow Kit. Now, this is going to be the biggest item we have available on this sale, and I'm going to gently turn my computer down. Okay, so this makes a great gift for yourself, or if you have been wanting to switch to Norwex skincare, which is clean, plant-based, EWG verified, which is the safest on the market. It's the gold standard. This is a great way to get started on these skincare products. Now, we did have a skincare sale last month. I know for me, lots of my customers got one or two things. This is a great way to get the rest of the items in the skincare set. Or if you're already loving Norwex skincare like me, this is a great way to get 6 full-size products that you can either gift to someone or even separate the products out and gift it to the people respectively. Like this Protect and Prevent Mineral Sunscreen. I actually bought this Nordic Glow Kit for my own like holiday gift giving. My mother-in-law has had skin cancer removed from her face multiple times. She uses this every single day and swears by it. So I'm going to break up these products and gift it out accordingly. So hopefully my mother-in-law won't see this, but she's going to get the Protect and Prevent Mineral Sunscreen. My granddaughters who are obsessed with skincare, we're going to get one each of these. The cleansing facial powder is great to remove impurities from the skin, clean those pores out. Hydrating moisturizer is great for a teenager. And then a couple things I might keep for myself. We've got the eye cream. And if you know anything about me, or if you've seen my videos, you know I am obsessed with our eye cream. And then we also have the rejuvenating serum and the illuminating oil all in this Nordic Glow Kit. So 6 full-size amazing products. The rejuvenating serum is a great just all-around anti-aging product for fine lines and wrinkles, for skin texture and firmness. So this is a full routine. So either fill in the blanks of maybe what you're missing, gift out the rest, or just introduce someone you love to clean beauty, right? This is a perfect spa in the box gift for the moms in your life, grandmas, sisters, anyone who deserves and wants that glowing skin. Now, normally, for all 6 of these full-size items, it would be $320, but you get 40% off, $192 for all 6, which is so good, makes a great gift. Again, I'm personally going to be separating it out, but you could easily gift this to someone who wants and needs a new skincare routine and get them started on the whole set. And then they could just get their refills as needed. So whether you're shopping for your home, maybe you're building your gift list for others or treating yourself, these Norwex deals make it easy, like very, very easy to give gifts that are cleaner, safer, and sustainable, and gifts that are truly going to last. So everything that I just showed you is 40% off or while supplies last, with the exception of the silicone bags I showed in the beginning. These are 10% off all month long. So if you see something you love, grab your favorites early because when they're gone, they're gone. Let's make this holiday season clean, green, and joyfully simple. We all deserve it. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon.